What's up, friends? Moses here from Driver Success. I hope you guys are doing well. For me, it's the beginning of the week. For you, some of you, it's the beginning of the weekend. It's been a wonderful week here at JB Hunt in Haslet. We had, it was Driver Appreciation Week. So from Sunday they've been, they have some activities, they have like food. What has been really a change this week is the weather. It's almost impossible to believe that last week we had triple digits. This weather has been totally different. Other than that, I have 2 pre-plans on me. Right now, I'm going to Hutchins. I have a delivery, and then I have a pickup that will be picking up from Garland.
I know it's been a struggle. I know you've had some pain. I know you're feeling tired, held down by all the weight. Yeah, I know you're feeling lonely. Your smile ain't the same. Not sure of where to go from here. Feel like you've lost your way. Yeah. Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, yeah, he's got a plan. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. Watch him rain down, got a miracle. I can see the strength inside you. Child, you're putting up a fight.
Night transportation right there on my right. This right here is my first stop. The time right now is 4:21.
Oh, you're stronger than you think you are. Yeah, you're gonna be alright. You're accepted, loved, and valued. Beautiful, you're shining bright. Yeah, you're living, breathing, moving. You can hold.
Oh, I need to look for a spot to put this trailer. I think I see one right there. Spot number 37. I'm supposed to call them after I park. So this right here is the spot I'm gonna put it in. I kind of missed it. So I'm going to kind of reset it up. So when you mess it up, the best thing you can do is set it up right. Empty. I'm done here. I should have passed by the Flying J on my way here because I need to get some fuel. I totally forgot. Actually, I did forget. I was planning to get it after, but what I had forgotten was that it's gonna need me to kind of get out of my way a little bit. Not really a big deal. It's just like I'm gonna go back to that 20. It's not a big deal, but I'm gonna go fill up my tank. I'll probably get Dev 2 before I head to my pickup. So I'm just gonna check out here. In the meantime, as I check out and as I head to the pilot, to the Flying J, let me tell you about my week. It's week number 5. It's day 1, and it is drizzling right now. I'm not sure if it's gonna be raining more than this, so I really want to make it very fast, and I'm just gonna do kind of like an high intensity training. So what I'm gonna do, there is a place right here. I'm just gonna run up and then come back walking. Like I'll be running out and then come back walking. Then I'm gonna limit it to probably around maybe 15 minutes or less. It will depend on how I feel, but I'm gonna give it like maybe an effort of about let me say between 50 and 70%, right, of effort. In other words, I'm gonna run faster, a little faster than I've been running, because I've been running to keep my heart rate low. But since this is gonna be high intensity training, sort of, even though I'm not gonna go all the way on the effort, when I'm running, I'm gonna give it about 50 to 70% effort, and then I just walk back to slow down the heart rate, and then I do it. I don't know how many times I'll be able to do it, but I'll keep it to about 15 minutes. This right here is the stretch I am doing. So I just ran up, now I'm walking down. I'm just gonna do this a couple of times and then we'll see. As you can hear, I am out of breath. I just got done with day number 1 of week number 5. I've been able to run up and down 3 times. Run up, walk back down for 3 times. It's been about 1.4 miles, 15 minutes. I'm done for the day. I'll catch you in the next one tomorrow. This place is crowded. Who is gonna go? Who should I park behind? Yeah. Where are you going, buddy? Oh, it looks like the other guy is done. I don't want to come all the way on this fast lane, because when I'm on this fast lane, you see, when you look out there, I don't like going over that. Thankfully, that guy, I think, is gonna move, because as you can see, you see that thankfully he's gonna move, so hopefully the guy behind can give me some grace. You see how that thing is kind of high. Okay, this gentleman right here has to pass. You see how even that guy is going slow, like it's a very big hump. It was put there to protect the guys who are fueling, who bring fuel to the station. All right, drivers, let's do this. Let's go. So if that truck was still here, it was gonna, I would have, like I had to mind him. But at least right now it's not as bad as it would have been. This is day 2 of week number 5. Today it's gonna be really a short one. I'm just gonna walk for 30 minutes because I have an appointment this morning at my daughter's school. So what I'm gonna do, because I thought it would be better for me to do the walking first and then I go for the meeting, which is at 8:30. So I barely have enough time, so I'm thinking if I put in my 30 minutes, that should be good. All right, my friends, that's it. I have done my 30 minutes and that has put me at about 1.5 miles. I know it's windy right now. I don't know how my voice is coming out, if you guys can hear me well. The interesting thing is that last week it was really hot. Like we are in triple digits. Yesterday it was drizzling. Today it rained at night, so it's just a little bit chilly. It was a very good time of walking. I hope it's like this tomorrow, because tomorrow I plan to do some jogging. So this will be really good weather for that. But we'll see. All right, I'll catch you tomorrow for day number 3 of week number 5. Until then, bye-bye. So on Wednesday, I did not work out because I woke up and my body was like kind of aching. And I'm guessing it's because of, like on Monday, what I did on Monday, I think I kind of gave my body a shock because it was kind of like high intensity training. So I really was running and then walking, but I think that shocked it because I was feeling like kind of my body was aching. So I decided to take Wednesday off. I was gonna go out and walk, but then I'm like, I may end up doing more damage than good. So one of the things I want to do is also to be able to listen to my body, so that I'm not, I'm in this for the long run, right? So I don't want to be like going out. If I have to take a rest, take a rest. So that's what I ended up doing. It's day 4 of week number 5. Just starting my walk. Today I'm just gonna walk, but the other thing is I'm gonna try and keep it as short as possible. Actually, generally speaking, these walks and runs, I'm gonna try to limit them to 30 minutes because I don't think I have that time that I thought I thought I would have like more than 30 minutes, but actually I'm gonna be keeping them to 30 minutes. So even the weather is changing, so that may also be something that will be affecting it. But today, day number 4, week number 5, let's do it. Looks like I've just run into a problem. I just started here, but looks like it's starting to drizzle, and it's starting to drizzle really heavy, so I may be going back to my car now. Hopefully I don't get wet. Oh man, it's now becoming more than a drizzle, it's a rain. So I'm just gonna have to run instead of walking. I am back. That was just half a mile. So looks like the weather is really changing. It was showing that it was going to rain, but that was since yesterday. But I realized that it wasn't raining, so I figured I would come out. But it turns out now it's kind of like drizzling, so I don't know. I may start just going to the gym. We'll see how this works out, but I'm done for today. Half a mile. That's all I was able to do. I'm good with it because I have a lot of stuff that I need to get done. All right, we'll see what tomorrow brings. All right. Picked up my load. I can tell from the pre-plan I have on me that we don't have loads, because my pre-plan is to go pick up an empty from one of the customers and get it. So when they start telling you to pick up empties, it means we don't have any more loads. Right now the time is 6:35. The funny thing is, after I get that empty, maybe the train may come in or something may happen and I may end up with a load. Maybe a load, the customer wants us to pick up a load. So sometimes you never know. Even though right now they're telling me to get an empty after this load, I may get something different. I may get a load, or I may have to just run empties the rest of the shift. But after I get this load, I'm gonna take my break and then go pick up that empty. It's week 5, day 5. Looks like the weather is on our side today. 30 minutes of walk, run, and we are done with the day and done with the week. 30 minutes. Let's get it done. All right, I ended up doing about 37 minutes, 2.24 miles. I tried my best to keep it low, to stay within the green and blue zones, which is 2 and 3. And I think I did my best. For the most part, that's where I stayed. But it was 37 minutes, 2.2 miles, done for the day, done for the week. I'll catch you in the next one.
Don't give up, no, don't give in. Never lose hope, don't let go of the promise. It ain't done, yeah, he's got a plan. Watch some rain.